know, we're just gonna jump right into it. Alright, so I'm right here doing my ball cap method. Put the ball cap on, cut your ear holes, put your ear through the hole, obviously, and then use that lace glue to put around your edge line and smooth it out until it dries clear. Then you're going to take your Ruby Kisses foundation to make sure that the cap blends. And then you're going to cut the ball cap and then tie it behind your ear. So what I did do off camera was cut off my ear tabs for the wig, but if you want to know how to do that, they are all in my previous videos on my YouTube channel. So I went ahead and did that, and then I went ahead and framed it where I wanted to lay the wig, and that's where I put my layers of glue. Y'all, I tried this new glue I seen on TikTok, this small business. Her TikTok page is called the Lace Guru or Guru. I think it's Guru though. Y'all, waterproof, sweatproof, all of the above. Like 2 layers will make it stuck, like stuck. So that's what I did. I went ahead, but I went in with 3-4 layers because I wanted this wig to stay on a little bit longer, even though I ended up still taking it off the day after. We're not talking about that, but anyways, yes, 3 to 4 layers is what I did in the video. Let it dry clear. Now let me tell y'all, combing it, once it's clear and you go in to lay the wig, combing the lace, as I'm doing right here, combing the lace into the glue helps so much. And then after you do that, you want to go ahead and tie your lace band on. And while the lace band is sitting on, you're going to go ahead and wax and hot comb the hair in small sections, like we always do, y'all. Like small sections, get it real flat. Shut down my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, my new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Okay, so then right here, like we always do, you want to cut that lace into 3 different parts, so it's just easier to cut. You can cut it as one whole, you know. Don't listen to me, you don't have to do what I say, but it is easier. So we're going to go ahead and cut those 3 sections off in a zigzag motion. And then don't be afraid if you see that white cast. It's okay, because we're not done melting yet. So you want to take your Ruby Kisses. I use Ruby Kisses, I think it's either RD15 or 14. You want to go ahead and push it into that lace. You'll rub it across, push it in, do what you got to do to make that lace disappear. And then you're going to take your melting spray of choice, and you're just going to dab it on there. Y'all look how it disappear. Baby, hit the blow. I'm sorry. And then yes, y'all, you just see it. And then after you do that, after you put your melting spray, you're just going to tie it back up with that edge band. So right here, what we are going to do is start to pull out our edges. Now we always go in the C motion. You can either go downwards or upwards, but you go in the C motion to pull the edges out. Y'all know this is the part where I just lose my mind at. And I believe I did film them of me doing it on camera. I believe so. And this is a new holding spray I also got from TikTok. The olive oil wig hold. It's called something like that, y'all. I forgot. It's called something like that. So I went ahead and melted where I wanted to put my edges, and then went ahead and tied that down for the second melt. And right here, so the hairstyle I'm doing, it does involve crimps. So an easier way for crimps, so you don't have to sit all damn day with it, is to spray a holding spray, melting spray, whatever kind of free spray you want to use. Spray the strand of hair that you're going to crimp, and just go ahead and crimp it. It takes a good 30 minutes off from crimping hair, because it's just too much. But they're cute though. They're cute. It's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like. Okay, here's where I started to do my edges. I go ahead and curl them upwards or downwards. It really doesn't matter because I think I do my two front ones upwards and then the two side ones downwards. But anyways, took the band off. Y'all see, like, this way. Okay, took the band off, get ready to do my edges. Did the edge control mix with the mousse, the got to be the black one, not the yellow one, because the yellow one kind of like flakes up a little bit. But go ahead and swoop, y'all. This is where y'all see how concentrated I am? Do y'all? Anyways, let's just get to you.
In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna.
So after, now that my edges are done and they look like sisters and not cousins, I went ahead and I decided to put two braids at the top, going backwards at the top of my head. So that's what I'm parting for right now. And then I went ahead and braided them down and finished crimping my hair. So stay tuned for the finished look, y'all. It's real cute, real cute.
In the meantime, my new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime, my new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
And that is how it came out, y'all. I really hope y'all like it because this style like really stressed me out. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, lovely.